In the field of dieting and weight watching, there are just a handful of organizations that have actually successfully achieved what they promise. These organizations seem to be on the roll, and there is no question of stopping them. More significant are the people who join and manage to stick to it till the end. So why do some programs take the backseat while some steal the show? Community. One chief reason behind the success of Weight Watchers is the sense of community, the bond that is forged between all the men and women who have a common goal: weight loss. It is encouraging as well as endearing to be with a set of people with whom you can share your experiences as well as theirs. More often than not, people who are on diet or a program simply do not get enough support from their family and friends. The bonding that takes place in the meetings of the Weight Watchers is strong because it is of people who come from diverse walks of life and cultures but are still united under one common aim of losing weight and leading healthier lives. And this bond is very dear to them because it is together that they laugh and cry. The kind of motivation and encouragement that this type of program stimulates is commendable to the highest degree. Evolution. Though the typical manner in which to watch weight would be to actually attend the meetings, the community of Weight Watchers knows how to evolve with time. For those who are too busy or are just afraid to attend meetings, there are many alternatives available like online forums, support groups and message boards. But the evolution has not stopped here. They have, in recent years, introduced a system of points which allows dieters to gauge how well they are performing or progressing through points instead of having to actually keep track of and account for every calorie. Counting every calorie. How to lose weight with the right food is a hassle many dieters should not have to take time out of their busy schedules to sort out, especially while dining out. The Weight Watchers online website is a great example of fast evolution in response to the ever-changing requirements of men and women taking part in the program. They truly outdo themselves in terms of the information and insights offered. Commitment to fitness. It is common knowledge among the Weight Watchers that dieting alone does not reap benefits. A diet in combination with an appropriate exercise gives much better and satisfying results. When it comes down to it, the most successful Weight Watchers are the ones who, along with proper nutrition and attitude towards food, also stress on exercise as a vital component of the regime. Weight Watchers is one among numerous other dieting and weight loss programs available in the market today. That they have carved a niche for themselves and are above many others in this particular field demands recognition. Despite the innumerable weight reduction programs being introduced every other month, Weight Watchers has consistently achieved laudable results for those who actually work at it. There are not many programs that can claim the same for themselves. Considering all of the aforementioned, along with the pre-packaged food and extensive recipes offered by the Weight Watchers, coupled with their remarkable track record for success, there is no way you wouldn't want to at least check out what they have to offer you.